Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to unbox and set up Hamilton Beach blender. Okay, it's a wave action Hamilton Beach wave action blender. So before I start opening this blender, I'm going to show you guys the full size of the box. Okay, so this is the front size right here. Right here, as you can see. This is the other side right here, and this is the other side. Here again is another side of the blender. Right here, the box. This blender is brand new. So if you stay with me till the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you where I bought this blender from and how much I paid for this blender. Okay. So I'm going to start by opening this blender, but before I open it, I actually bought this blender for my smoothie. This is Hamilton Beach. Yeah, Hamilton Beach. The blender name is Hamilton Beach blender. Okay, so I bought this blender for smoothie. Yeah, and it have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It have 4 functions. It have 4 buttons on this right here, and each of these buttons like have different function. The first button here is to stop. You can use the button to stop. It's the power button. You either stop the blender or you start it. Then the next button here going to be the mix. If you want to mix stuff up, yeah, the next thing is the mix, and the other one is if you just want to blend ice with drinks, and the next one is going to be slash. Yeah, slash, and the other one is crash. Okay, so this is the blender right here. It have a lot of function. This blender gonna be the first Hamilton Beach blender in my kitchen. Okay, the other one I have was Black Day. I love Hamilton product. The microwave I have is Hamilton Beach microwave, and it's really good. So this blender is how many watts? It's 800 watts. Yeah, 800 watts. Okay. So you can make smoothie. You can also use this blender for your kitchen. Okay, right here. I hope you guys gonna see this, but it's actually 800 watts. Hope you guys gonna see this. It's 800 watts. So I'm just gonna open this not to waste most of your time.
Mom, can I make smoothie too?
Wait a minute. When I read, I'll let you know.
Can we make cookies?
Baby girl, keep quiet. When I read, I'll let you know. Okay. Thank you. So this is the box right here. Yeah, and here is the manual for the blender. This is the manual for the blender right here. I'm gonna be reading it to you guys later. Okay, I love red. I'm very sure this blender is gonna be red. I love red. If you've been following me for some time, red is my favorite color. Yeah.
And purple.
I don't know how to take this off. Oh my god. Guys, I'm just gonna do it like this, okay? Okay. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna put a box aside. So this is the blender right here. This is the blender. I'm gonna be taking this on it right here. Yeah, right here. Okay. So you gotta be very careful. So this is a glass. The jar is glass. Guys, did you hear that? It's a glass jar. Yeah. This is how the jar look like. Oh my god, I love the jar. This is just my family size. Yeah, I really hope it works for me well. And the next thing here gonna be the top for the jar. Right here is the top for the jar. Yeah, so let me get the stuff, the other stuff. Yeah. So guys, this is it right here, and this came with the cord. This is the cord right here. Guys, do you see this? I love the color. It's long. And I love the color. I don't know what about me and red, but red is my favorite color. I love red. Yeah. So I'm going to be setting this blender up. So this is the jar right here. This is the top for the jar, which I'm going to be closing today. Yeah. Oh my God, I love this jar. And then this is the power stuff right here. Okay. I gotta look at the menu. Oh, okay. Yeah. Supposed to be just like this. So I'm gonna be plugging this. I'm gonna be plugging the cord in the wall to try this and see how it's gonna look like, y'all. Yeah, so this is the blender. I just set it up. I'm just gonna be testing it to see how it's gonna work for me. This is the cord right here. And I'm gonna be plugging. I have the menu right here. I have to read this menu. Okay, I'm gonna read this menu to follow the instruction. But guys, just let me know in the comment section below what you think of this blender. I love this blender so much. This is my favorite blender. Yeah, I love it so much. Oh my God. And moreover, I love the color, and I already pray for this blender to work for me. For this summer, yeah, for this summer, I'm gonna be yeah, I'm gonna be doing a lot of exercise and eating healthy food. Look at me, I'm a big girl, y'all. This is me right here. Yeah, I'm 190 pounds, and my goal is to lose at least 20 pounds by the end of the summer. So I'm gonna eat healthy and take a lot of exercise. This is me right here. Just let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, my baby girl say and do push-up. So I'm gonna stand up for you to see me. Yeah, guys, I'm ready to eat healthy, y'all. I'm ready to eat healthy. This is me right here. Yeah, this is me. Guys, I don't want to fall. I'm standing on a stool. I'm a short girl. Okay, so I'm gonna test this blender and let you guys know. Okay? So I'm gonna be testing this blender all right here. Let me take this stuff off right here and putting it right in the plug right here, guys. Okay, and then this is the power button right here. Hope you guys gonna see the very first button where you see my hand is the power button. Guys, it's gonna be loud. I'm gonna give you guys warning. If you can't stand noise, it's okay. Just be aware that when I touch this button, it's gonna be noisy. But let me close it before I start it. Okay, y'all. Oh my God, I can't wait to use my new blender, y'all. I can't wait. So guys, before you use this blender, I just recommend you to wash this blender before you use it. So what's going on? Oh, this is stop. Oh, guys. Okay. So with this blender right here, I'm going to show you guys here. So it don't really have a start button. It only has stop button. So meaning you can use any of the functions. When you want to stop it, you just press the stop button. Okay. Oh my God, this is so nice. Some blenders like you have the start and have the off button, but this one it don't have start button. It only have off button. Okay. Oh my God, I love this blender so much. I'm gonna like this blender, y'all. Let me try it for the first time. Okay, I hope it don't like me that. So that's it. You can just use any functions if you want to make an icing, the smoothie, juice. Just press whatever button you want to use right here. And after this, just press, if you want to stop it, just press the stop button. Okay. Remember, you always have to stop it before you take it off, or you better stay unplug this. Yeah, guys.
You need to eat an apple.
Oh my God, my baby girl want to make smoothie this morning, so I'm just gonna take it from the wall. Oh my God. So
you need an apple, guys.
So guys, let me know in the comment section below what you think of this blender. I love this blender so much. Oh my God, I love my blender so much. So guys, once again, my name is Rosemary. Thank you so much for tuning in on my channel.
And butter.
On my channel, I do just baby girl. On my channel, I do just a little bit of everything. I do products review. Yeah, I'm gonna be reviewing a product for you guys. Yeah, I was just unboxing and setting it up, but I'm gonna be reviewing this product to you. I'm gonna be reviewing this stuff to you guys. And yeah, guys, So thank you so much for turning. I love you so much. Mwah. So I bought this blender from Walmart. Okay? Yeah. I bought this blender from Walmart and I paid $32. The price was $32 and I put tax, 32 plus tax. It's gonna be just a little over, yeah, $32, okay? The blender was $32 and I really wish, I hope it worked for me, okay, yeah? So guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and yeah, let me know in the comment section below, have you tried this blender before? What is your favorite blender? And this is Hamilton Beach. Yeah, Hamilton Beach. The brand is Hamilton Beach. I love Hamilton Beach product. I have a microwave in my home, which is Hamilton Beach. It's really, really nice. So this is 800 watts and my microwave is 1000 watts, okay? So if you stay with me, like in the next video, I'm gonna be unboxing and setting up this stuff. This is an egg maker. I'm gonna make a special video for you. I don't want to make this video long. So in the next video, I'm gonna be unboxing and setting this egg maker up, and we're also gonna use it, okay, guys? So thank you so much for tuning. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye. Come back to watch more of the video, okay? I love you so much. Oh, you guys are so. Let me give you guys 360 for the camera before I leave again. Guys, look at me. Can I see something beautiful for your backside? Baby girl, let me shake my body for my audience more. Wait, so before I leave, I want to give shout out to Super Rainbow Queen. She gave us money last night. She supported us. Thank you so much. Super Rainbow Queen. Get on, let me go turn the video off. Let me go turn it. Can I see something beautiful for your backside? Sherry Coco, sexy, I will say. Okay, I gotta turn the video off. Guys, guys, bye. Thank you so much. Come back to watch more of the video, okay? Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.